And as promised, we're back at O'Gara Westlake. We just saw Danny. He's busy. He's getting a conference call, but he got this out for us. The Nismo GTR, baby.
It's very Nismo. I mean, it's very Nismo. Look at this. The only thing that I can imagine right now is Mike just yelling out the window, Nismo!
Nismo, bro!
Nismo!
I know.
GTR will fucking smoke that thing.
No. This is actually faster, dude.
Nothing's faster.
I swear
Nismo! Nismo, dog. Nismo!
This looks crazy.
Good luck, too. There's a crazy spider right here. You said it's good luck, right?
It is good luck. So spiders mean money. Is that a spider? Yeah, it is. A green one.
It's not a depreciating spider.
Hopefully it's not a No. Let's go. And the best thing about it is you guys get to ride in the Rolls Royce and I get to drive a GTR.
Do it.
So the plan is, I'm gonna take this home right now. I'm gonna make a video for Salomundo, a video for you guys. Then afterwards, Farghini, Buddy, and I are gonna go to reveal the brand new Senna. So, It's legitimately like seeing a computer. It's a video game, but it's in the car in real life. It's really strange. God, these cars are so fast. Just let me get into the freeway and I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. It just feels so fucking brutally fast. It's kind of like the Lamborghini effect because you're not going really that fast like in a McLaren 720, but it does give you like a sensation of speed like nothing else. It's fucking insane. You know what? I'm just gonna shut my mouth and cut to the beauty shots, baby. So, Danny was kind enough to loan us the GTR. We're done with the video for the GTR, and now we're in the other GTR. As you guys can tell by everything green and Farghini.
And the exhaust doesn't sound like a sewing machine.
That exhaust didn't sound like that when you were driving it, but when you were standing like that, it did sound like a sewing machine. We were revving the GTR against this GTR with Danny revving the other one right now, just while we dropped off the car.
Okay, go. It's like a sewing machine, Danny. Go. And you don't have pop-pops. You ain't got no, it's like a sewing machine.
Is that a blender? And the AMG does sound way better.
But also the V8 versus the V6.
Yeah, of course. No, it makes a big difference.
Yeah.
But Jesus, this makes a lot of noise. So right now we're heading out to Galpin because I'm gonna put some wheels on this bitch and we're gonna do some stuff to this car, and we're gonna go measure that, which I've never done before, so I'll show you how they do that.
The wheel company requested that they actually measure like the wheels and this and that, so that you get like very precise.
Yeah, which normally you would think that they'd be like, it's just 19s.
Yeah.
And they knew what they were doing, but I have no idea.
I was actually very impressed too when they bought it.
Yeah, and also I'm wondering what's the holdup on my golf truck.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I want to see it. I want to see how that looks because it's gonna be dope. So, anyways, traffic, here we go. I'm legitimately driving with Farghini to Galpin, as you guys know. And Farshad, do you care to
Actually,
explain?
before we say that, what's the one comment you said today? You said, wow, it's weird which one of my cars has Sirius XM, which one doesn't.
And this is one of them.
This is one of them. Actually, this is the only one I think that has Sirius XM. So we were enjoying Sirius XM as we were driving.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it said, beep, boop, boop. You lost your 6 months.
My 6 months free are done, and they just happened right now. And by the way, I'm so cheap. I never pay for after that.
And plus, you'd have to
by the
buy
way,
like 20 accounts.
I'm selling this car. We're gonna go to Mercedes, sell the car, and get a new one with a new
6 months?
free.
Is that how you recycle cars? With the
I've never had the 6 month expired, especially not while I'm driving the car. All right, finally got here to Galpin, and Tommy told me that my truck is ready, and he wants me to test out how stiff the suspension is or how bouncy it is on the back, because he said the front feels nice, the back still feels a little jumpy. It's based on the off-roading setup that the truck had. So I'm gonna drive it right now, see if it's too jumpy. If it's too jumpy, I think we're gonna do the suspension arms of a Raptor. Right, Tommy? We're gonna put the suspension arms of a Raptor on the back if it feels.
Raptor to line it up, because we have Deaver springs in here. It's meant for a chase rack setup, so it's meant to have even more gear back here, fuel, and extra tools. You're supposed to carry another 400 pounds back here for this to ride correctly. Since you don't have that extra weight, we can put the regular Raptor ones back on.
Is that personal? Is that a...
No, you'd be fine.
Okay.
No, it's not you. It's
Okay.
Farshad mostly.
Well, so I just gotta take Farshad to more places.
Just sit him in the back though.
Ivan, do not edit this out. Oh, guys, my toy truck is ready. Tommy, this looks insane.
Really nice. Really nice.
It looks like a toy. Fuck, look at all the blue. And even the middle, all of it, Jesus. All right, let's see. So the suspension is a little rough, like Tommy said on the back, which you should always listen to him and listen. Did you guys put more shit into it? No, right?
No, we didn't.
You just sounded like this before?
You just haven't driven it, so you just feel it.
I know, it's hurting me. It's hurting me. I miss it so much. So we're gonna do the Raptor suspension arms on the back, stock ones.
Raptor leaf springs on the back.
Okay, done and done. And now we're gonna get back, and you gotta show me how they did the measuring for the wheels on the AMG GTR. I've never seen anyone measure for wheels.
I'll show you.
Thank you, thank you. Let's roll! I want you guys to look at this. So this is a Jeep Wrangler, right?
Wrangler JK.
Wrangler JK. They're doing a wide body on it, and this is a dude that watches the channel. You're putting some fenders out here, and I mean, obviously the wrap, which clearly you went crazy with it.
Yeah, just typical how we always do it. I got it everywhere.
Did you put the screen?
Yes, the Alpine unit is all in there. It's obviously in work in progress right now. But
Of course. Really?
that's how it's gonna be.
I thought it was done.
And then the biggest thing is we got a Edelbrock supercharger on there.
In this?
And this.
You guys are fucking crazy. I love it.
And we're gonna do the same kind of suspension I have on my truck, which is Icon. We're gonna do that. We haven't done it yet. Put that on.
I see you getting your freebies, Tommy. I see you getting your freebies. Here's a suspension that I
No,
have.
it's not even. I love it.
No, you do know your shit with suspensions. That was exactly what you were saying.
So just the rear
Thank
will
you.
line up a little.
Yeah. So now I know to trust you, Tommy. You know?
Hopefully, you trust me from before. No,
I did.
Just because you don't trust Fasha doesn't mean you can't trust me.
It's a
We're not
different
all the
breed of
same.
Persian.
Yeah, we're not all the same.
Basically, what we want to do is just get you a really good fitment.
Yes.
We don't want to have an OEM style fitment, which is, I mean, you know, from all the cars that you've done, if you look at the wheels, this one's probably more aggressive than others, but you've got a lot of space to basically push it out and make it look good.
Right here. So what exactly do you measure? What are the parts that you measure here to get
I'll show you
what you need?
what the plan is to take your stock wheels with the fitment that we've already calculated here. And we're just going to use spacers. I've got these stacked up to be roughly, it looks like 20 mil in the back.
Okay. On the front, you put 3, 2?
10 millimeters in the front.
Okay.
And then we'll calculate that fitment based off the OEM wheel styles. And then once we've got that, we'll be able to tell if that's the fitment.
Got it, but you do need to touch the cars in person. You see them so that you get the right measure.
You can do it not physically in person, but it's never going to come out as good as if you do it.
Of course, you don't want to just guess it and see what happens. And by the way, OEM means just original from manufacturer,
Correct.
basically.
The original manufacturer wheels.
That's right.
The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take full measurements of your brake caliper.
Okay.
That's going to allow us to do the most concave profile possible because we know exactly where the brake is. We know how concave we can get to get that front and rear wheel around it.
Got it.
Rear is usually not a big deal. It's more the big boys in the front.
Okay.
And this looks like it comes with a nice big 6-piston.
It is.
Probably
1, 2, 3, 4,
or-
5, 6. That's how you measure those pistons, people. I had no fucking idea for like 30 years, so that's why. How long does the process take?
To get a wheel done?
Yeah.
We go anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks on normal lead time, but that's a actual full production process, right? So we have lots of sets
Got
that
it.
are going through at the same time. If we bang one out, rush set from engineering, a full custom profile, custom design, you could be looking anywhere from like 7 to 10 days if that's all we work on.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Damn.
One second, no problem.
Barsha, that's not how you measure those. I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
No, that's not.
I want to make sure
No.
you got the right.
Hang on. Let me just bring to the attention. He went to get props for this shit, man.
You actually nailed it here, and having a straight edge isn't a bad idea. I've got a version of that in there.
Thank you, Alejandro. These are the correct tools. Thank you so much.
You know what the correct tool is?
Let me just finish real quick.
They just left me here. They were like, Avi's here, and they legit bounced in 2 seconds. Farshad has like the biggest crush on Avi ever. Avi's here. We cannot wait to reveal his NSX. I actually haven't seen it, so I think he's gonna have a good time because he went with a Marlboro combination. Oh, thank you guys. I was just pointing out how Avi just says, "I'm here," and Farshad fucking runs away. Like the crush is real.
It really is, dude.
The crush
It really
is real.
He was walking around. Have you seen Avi? Have you seen Avi?
It's 6 o'clock. I want to go home. Mm-hmm. With Avi.
I see how he's already bossing people around. Fucking look who's here! Avi, what happened to your beard?
Come. Oh, shit.
You look amazing. You got a nice tan, everything going. How's your shoulder doing?
Fantastic.
Yeah? It even looks like stronger.
Super healed right now.
Yeah.
Do you feel good?
I slept for like 2 days straight.
Cabo will do that for you.
Good for you.
Ate, slept, water, sun.
While you were in Cabo, were you thinking about your car?
Tommy sent me a picture of the tail lamp, like this, like just the bumper and like the headlight, just a small piece.
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep.
All right, here we go. Come on, Avi. Are you ready? Look.
Turned it into a Cadillac.
With
Here we go. Oh! Guys, wow.
Come on.
Guys, wow.
Guys, wow, yes. How sick does that look?
This is the most beautiful NSX I've ever seen in my life. Oh,
And it's yours. Oh.
get out of here. Crazy. Wow.
I know the face of a happy man, and that's one.
Oh my God.
Dude, Avi, this looks brand new.
This looks amazing.
This looks brand new. Congratulations.
Amazing. Wow.
My God. This is
Wow. This is the first thing I wanted to see.
oh.
Amazing. You guys are incredible.
There's no yellow,
Wow, look at this.
and there's not a monkey inside. This is fucking brand new. Dude, did you do the gauges or were they like that before?
No, we painted them.
Did you see them?
No.
Dude! Wow. Oh, wait. You did all of the backlighting red?
Yeah.
They don't painted the gauge rings red, and then the bezel, the front of the gauge is black.
Crazy. Nina, are you watching this?
That looks so dope, dude.
They don't come like that. It's orange. But he did is the back and the rings red.
Yeah, he said, and the front black, right?
It came out so perfect.
Woo!
Can I share something crazy? This is crazy. Today, this exact day, was
Oh, yeah.
when Ayrton Senna had his most legendary lap.
Do you know that?
Yes.
Today, and you're picking up your car with the
30
Senna.
years ago. 30 years
F1.
30 years ago. F1, yeah. Today, this exact day.
Wow.
So if you're on the freeway, look for Avi to do his legendary run.
Hey, do not say that. Enjoy it and drive it in good health, brother.
If you get pulled over, make sure it's all on camera though. When you run
No.
Somebody has to follow me.
Don't.
I'm not stopping.
Do not listen to them. Enjoy, dude.
Thank you so much, Eddie. You're welcome.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
That right there, guys, that's a bigger love story than even Twilight. Look at him. Look at Farshad. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know. I love you too. God, I wish I could make love to you in front of everyone in that Fisker. God, yeah, that'd be great. What are you doing later today, Avi? Oh, I don't know. I might go with my wife. Why do you need to go with your wife? Just come with me. Let's go in this Fisker. Come on.